Hello, everyone. If you've been struggling with oral health issues like cavities, gum sensitivity, or bad breath, let me introduce you to a life-changing supplement, ProDentim. This innovative oral probiotic supplement has gained massive popularity for its ability to restore dental and gum health by targeting the root cause of oral problems. Whether it's a lack of good bacteria in your mouth, tartar buildup, or weak enamel, ProDentim works to fix it all. So what makes ProDentim unique? It's a soft and chewable tablet containing 3.5 billion probiotic strains, including ingredients like Lactobacillus paracasei, B. lactis BL04, BLISK12, and BLISM18, along with peppermint and spearmint for freshness. These good bacteria restore balance in your oral microbiome, eliminating harmful bacteria that cause cavities, inflammation, and bad breath. Taking ProDentim is incredibly simple. All you need to do is chew one tablet every morning. As you do this consistently for 90 to 180 days, you'll notice significant improvements in your oral health. Your teeth will feel stronger, your gums healthier, and your breath fresher. The probiotics also soothe gum inflammation, reduce teeth sensitivity, and even help with headaches and sinus discomfort that often come with oral issues. What's even more impressive is how ProDentim goes beyond oral health. Its blend of probiotics and natural ingredients also supports your gut health and boosts immunity. It detoxifies your system, flushing out harmful toxins and metals, which further protects your teeth and gums from damage. This supplement isn't just for younger adults, it's also perfect for seniors. As we age, our teeth and gums weaken, and ProDentim provides the extra care and protection needed. It's completely natural, free from chemicals or stimulants, and safe for anyone over 18 years old. Currently, ProDentim is available at a discounted price on its official website. You can get one bottle for $69, 3 bottles for $59 each, or 6 bottles for just $49 each. Plus, you'll receive 2 free bonuses with the larger packages, a guide on detoxing bad breath, and a step-by-step guide for achieving Hollywood white teeth at home. And don't forget the 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund. No questions asked. This makes trying ProDentim completely risk-free. So, if you want to restore your oral health and say goodbye to expensive dental procedures, click the link in the description to order ProDentim today. Thousands of people have already seen life-changing results, and you can too. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, brighter smile.